Wood is an important part of Breakwooden's designs. Most of the products use wood materials. We prioritize the use of raw wood from the coffee tree, which is highly durable and has a very natural pattern, but most importantly, the exploitation of raw wood causes very little impact on the environment because they are inherently a byproduct of the harvesting process. Speaking of wood, I also want to talk about the name Breakwooden. At first, we just wanted to find a name for the special members, which we still call incomplete pieces of wood, but because we were not good at English at that time, we translated the word Breakwooden. By the time a friend reminded us of it, it was too late. Breakwooden was mentioned by friends all over the world, and we tacitly accepted that interesting fact. Find your passion, live it, and share it with other like-minded people. It's the most complete summary of what we do at Breakwooden. You can come up with a very nice product and they will be copied after a while, but they don't copy the spirit of Breakwooden. Each of us will have at least one weakness. Someone is missing an arm or a leg, which means we try to turn everything we have into our strengths. Surely you will find it more meaningful to know that the product you receive from Breakwooden is colored by a talented guy who only likes to paint with one hand, or polished by a guy with only one leg. Well, all we want to hear from people is the surprise of our products.